Ladies and gentlemen, go grab your popcorn. We are going to be doing branch selection on this bonsai. That's more or less the output from this. So you might think, dude, you absolutely butchered that tree. And you might be right, but there's method behind the madness. You might think that this canopy is already so dense and nice, and you can't really see why I'm doing this. But to give you an explanation of why I'm doing this is you have to have your main branches in a tree that you're going to use to form your canopy. It's going to be the thick branches where all the other smaller branches will form off. And this tree didn't have a lot of branches to choose from, so I left it to grow wild and just prune it every now and then to get more branches. And now we're just at the stage where I have to choose the branches. So we're doing branch selection here, and we're deciding that all the lower growth and lower branches should go, and I'm keeping only the ones that I'm going to see as my main branches. I'm removing all the bottom growth, all the cross growth, so that's branches that's crossing each other, and I just pruned until I was left with the branches that I want to be my main branches. If you guys do have any questions on why or what or how, please do leave it in the comment section below so I can get some more ideas for videos and know what you guys are struggling with so I can help you. You can see here my wiring technique. It's just wiring against my fingers. I keep the wire intact at the bottom and then wire against my fingers and not the branches, because if you have tried wiring these small branches, you know that they do snap very easily. As you can see there, keeping the wire with my other hand in place and wiring against that fingers and not against the branch. All in all, this is what we ended up with. It's a nice start for a canopy. Over there, we would like to see that space filled with new growth, and I believe this tree will look super awesome in a year or two with a very nice canopy right there. Cool. I hope you guys enjoyed.